In this video, I want to show you what to do in case there's no audio coming out of your Sony TV. You only get a picture, everything works great image-wise, but there's no sound. So the first thing I always recommend when this happens suddenly, and it was working in the past, is to simply go and disconnect your Sony TV from the wall outlet. Even if it's turned on, simply pull the plug. You're gonna find the power button that sometimes it's located under the TV, but sometimes it's located on the back, like on this model. You see, this is the power button. You're gonna keep press that power button, all right? Keep press on it during 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead, connect your Sony TV back. Turn on the TV, and fortunately after doing this, the sound will be back and you won't have to do anything else. It was just a small glitch. Now let me show you if you're still having the issue after doing what I just showed you. So the next thing you can try, take the remote control, make sure you are on the home screen, and we're gonna go all the way towards the right side until you select, let me go over here, all settings. You see this cogwheel? Go ahead, select this. Now you're gonna go down and select display and sound. Go down, select audio output. And now you're gonna have to choose between the different outputs for your audio. So if you wanted to hear the sound out of this TV speakers, well, make sure that TV speakers is the one selected over here. If you had a sound bar or a sound system, home theater, amplifier, anything else, select audio system instead. And if you had this selected, audio system, because again you have a soundbar, maybe something else where the sound is coming out, go in digital audio out, and instead of auto, instead of letting the TV decide for you, select PCM, and then open any shows and check to see if the sound is back. If it's not back, go ahead and select pass-through mode, and again test the TV to see if the audio is back. Most of the time it's just this setting because the TV doesn't know which one to choose and it's choosing the wrong one. If you're still having issues with your audio, another thing I can suggest is to update your TV. Maybe there's an update pending that you don't know about. So press the home button, go again in all settings, the same place we were previously, but this time we're gonna go down, select system, go and select about, and now system update is the first one. It will scan for any updates, and if there is one, it will tell you to install it, and sometimes this again can fix many issues. Thanks for watching. If you have any other solutions or if one of these worked, please let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, type a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.